So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, I do have the, oops, that's the label, the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of March. Yes, that's right. Now, in all fairness to Ipsy, I did have this for a while. Things have been a little crazy. If you want to see, like, we need to talk. We need to talk. So, if you want to see what it is we need to talk about, then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, Ipsy Glam Bag, wow, just almost bought myself in the nose. Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, we need to definitely talk about this. But first of all, let me just explain to you what we do on this channel. This is a beauty channel. We do all types of beauty. Beauty for the mind, the body, and the soul. And that can mean so many things. On this channel, you do get a variety of things. Mostly unboxings. However, we do try on the products, new releases, you know, anything that's coming out. I like to, you know, if possible, I will grab it and, you know, unbox it with you here or show you, maybe create a look with it or what have you. I am not 20-something years old, obviously, but, you know, I've been putting makeup on for a little while, although not correctly. And then not until just a little while ago did I start to learn how to do that. So I don't always say, come here and learn things. I say, come here and learn things with me. So, you know, that's always fun. And if you just want to be a part of something, it's a great place to hang out. We have a lot of fun here. I have a wonderful community. It's just getting larger and it's getting better. It's just all around a good channel. It's a great place to have fun and hang out. And, you know, if you like to play in makeup, sometimes not take yourself so seriously, you know. There's so much of that going on in the world. If you can just, you know, come onto one of my videos and feel a little bit better when you click out of it or you've watched through it, then, hey, that's all I'm looking for. That's all I want. If anything that I've spoken about sounds like you could be interested in, by all means, if you hear hubby, that's hubby. The cat is getting to him. He is allergic to cats, but he loves Carly so much he puts up with it. Yeah, what can I say, right? If anything I've spoken about sounds interesting to you or you just want to check it out, please, by all means, please subscribe and become part of the family. This is a family. Like I said, I treat each and every member here with respect. And, you know, I just love my community. It's awesome. Yeah, so that would be great. And if you're not, if you're on the fence, what have you, either way, if you're watching this video, please remember to rate it thumbs up. It really does help me out. And for those of you that have been doing that, let me just say thank you so much, guys. It really does help me when you guys hit those buttons. It really, really, you know, it's just been sharing my videos to people that don't know me, and they have now come on board. So it is really, really, I was thinking, does that really work? Well, yeah, it does. And I found out the good old-fashioned way by trial and error. So thank you very much for that. Okay, Ipsy, what is going, sorry, label. What is going on with Ipsy? Let me just say, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Sorry, hubby is really going through it with the cat. So, let's go ahead and get into these subscriptions. Now, guys, I am not going to look on the site and, you know, do all that. I will try and edit in the prices, what they say the prices are. Let's do Ipsy Glam Bag Plus first. Now, sorry, label again. I really was liking the subscription. When I first got it, I was like, oh my God, this is great. Because I was getting really good choices. Now, if you get the good choices, I would say this is a definitely good bag. However, for February, March, and now April, because I just got done picking the things, and I forgot you could pause it, because, guys, I definitely would have done it. I definitely would have done that. My choices have just been stinky. Like, that's all I can say is stinky. So, let's get into it, and I'll show you. Okay, so the first thing is we do have the bag, okay? And the bag is right here, which is kind of cool. Let me dump this stuff out, and I will show you. Now, I do like the bag. I do like these bags when they are like the cotton bags. This one's kind of unique in the fact that it says, confidence comes from within. Okay, it's stamped right there. It does have the Ipsy logo right here, although it's not leather. It's just that little material. But I like the drawstring bags. I like sending prizes out in these, you know, when I'm swapping or whatever, either or. Now, The theme for March, and I'm sorry this is late. Again, I've had it, but things have been a little crazy. It's Do You is the theme, okay? And yeah, no prices. The first thing I see here is, I believe they chose this for me. I could be wrong, but I will leave it here. This is the Pixie by Petra Skin Treats Clarity Lotion. This is oil-free moisturizer. You know, honestly, guys, I think I read about this on the website. Now, I read what it says on the back. This is the packaging. Right here you have it, okay? And that's what it looks like. Now, this is a metal tube. This is metal. Aluminum, whatever you want to call it. Okay? And you do have a twist-off top. And it is come with a safety seal. Now, if I remember correctly, I think this says for oily to combination skin. Now, I have hecka dry skin. I've said it many times. The Mojave Desert on my face. So, let's just read. It says Hydrating Light Lotion, which means... It says oil-free formula boosts hydration while minimizing the appearance of pores and keeping complexion shine-free. So I would imagine this is better for people who have a more oily T-zone. I wish I had an oily T-zone, but I don't. It says use a coin-size amount daily after cleansing and toning or as needed. So there it is. This is what it looks like. And again, this is metal, okay? So that's the first product. Okay. So I believe I picked the brushes because, you know, you always get me with the brush. Anyway, we do have the brushes, and these are from the MOTD, which I don't know. I guess that's the brand, but you do have and it is marked, I believe, on here, or no, maybe not. So here they are again, all of them, guys, okay? So there you have that. Not mad at it. It's a brush set. Do I need another brush set? Not in a million years. But, you know, given the choices I had, like I said, my choices were not that great these last couple months. And if they keep being like this, I'm going to pause the subscription. I know in May we have the X, and I don't know how I feel about that yet. I don't know if I'm going to keep that one. Ooh, my glasses came up. Okay. So, the third product we have here is this one, the Air Repair. I believe, I don't know if I picked this or not, but I'll leave it here. And the price. Complexion Booster Moisturizer, Air Repair. Here we have that. Let's see, what does this do? What does it say? Rejuvenating antioxidant formula. Air Repair Moisturizer is designed to meet the demands of dull, tired, and dehydrated skin. Rich in humectants and antioxidants, this regenerating treatment cream is instantly absorbed with its moisture retaining properties. It soothes and hydrates for a smoother, more radiant complexion and diminishes fine lines. It is excellent for every skin type and all climates. Okay, so there you have that. All right, and I'm sure it's got a seal on it. Yep. All right, so we're not going to be looking at that. And the last but not least product, I cannot remember if I picked this. I probably would have if I had the choice because I do like Kors. This is the foaming cleanser right here. And yeah, so it's a pretty big bottle. It's 5.7 fluid ounces. And again, I will leave it down here whether I picked it or not. What? I forgot the one makeup product that's in here out of all the skincare, which is exactly what I'm talking about. Oh my God. Like, what? They're going back to the skincare thing. So they killed the Ipsy X. I'm sorry, the Ipsy Ultimate because it was way skincare, right? Well, now it seems like the Plus is taking the brunt, and I'm not happy with that. Okay, so this is the only makeup product in this bag, okay? And this is Belle in Argent. Plum Premonition. There you go. There's the packaging, okay? And you do not have the shades on the back. However, I do like the packaging. The packaging is very, very nice. Very, very pretty. Don't mind the smudge marks. So there you have that, okay? And let's open it up and see what it's like. The shade names are in the back right there, as you can see. Okay, this is Plum Premonition. So maybe there's plum shades in here. That would be kind of cool. I wouldn't mind that. If I can get it open. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. So this is a pretty palette. I'm not going to lie. That's a pretty palette. Let me go ahead and it does have the shade names on the protector. Okay. See that right there? Okay. So, I mean, that's not a, oops. That's not a bad palette, you know. Not crazy about that gold. But, I mean, it does have almost looks like a pressed glitter maybe. I'm not sure. Or it could be just a really sparkly shimmer. That would be cool. So, let me just show you that right there. You see that? It has a little eye etched in there. That's kind of cute. Anyway, I'm not hating this palette. Will I get a lot of use out of it? Probably not. I mean, I do have these colors, you know, in a gazillion palettes. But it's the one makeup item, so I'm going to have to like it because, yeah, you know, where's the makeup, Ipsy? Where's the makeup? Again, this month, guys, I don't think I did one thing. I got one choice of makeup, and it was the Thrive lip liners, and I do like them. So there was 2 of them, and I think they're like minis or whatever. So I was happy to get that, but all right. So that is the glambagplus. Let me get this back together, and I will pull out the Ipsy Glam Bag, which does have the prices on the card, so I can, and we are quickly going to run through that. Congratulations to the winner of the Natasha Denona Love Palette. You have 48 hours to contact me. I don't know where. Again, like I said, I'll put that name in there in this video somewhere. And again, yeah, you have 48 hours to contact me. Please, IG, what have you. And we'll get the ball rolling on getting that out to you. So it's a great palette. It is just don't drop it. Not even a little bit. It will pop out. The shadows come out of their pans. Now, the pans, I believe you can take them out. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that because it's been a minute since I played with it, and I don't remember. So, I did order another one. Remember, I dropped it? But, okay. So, there's that. So, we do have the Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular one. Now, this one, if you don't know about Ipsy, this bag is $12.72. It's the smallest of the 3. And the one I just showed you was $25. That's the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. All does have tax. Shipping is free on all of them. And there's a third, which is a quarterly subscription. That is Ipsy X, I guess. And yeah, that one's like hella expensive, $55. Is it worth it? The value is there. Again, we're going to see. This next one coming is going to be the second one. The first one, they knocked it out of the park. Not sure how the second one's going to be. I haven't really looked at the spoilers, but we're just going to do this bag really quickly, guys. I'm not going to spend a lot of time. It's from March, and I apologize again. So this is Stronger Together. So I don't know. I guess I got it wrong on the last one. But anyway, the theme is Stronger Together from March 2021. The future is female. You got this. Equality. Okay, I'm liking that. Now, first thing that's outside of the bag is this brush. I do have some Farrah brushes. Yeah, I can't find them, guys. I do have them somewhere around. I might have put them away because, you know, I have so many brushes, I rotate them out. But I do have one eye brush. Now, this is from Farrah. It's F-A-R-A-H, and this is made in China. I don't know which. Oh, this is pressed powder. So this would be good, judging by the size of it, if I can get to maybe go under your eyes with, which I don't really use powder under my eyes anymore. I would just rather tap out my concealer if it creases, you know, throughout the day, because when I put powder under my eyes, guys, oh my gosh, they look so dry. All right, so there you have the first thing. That's the brush. Now, this is retailed at $14 because it is a full size. Now we have the bag, okay, and we will get to that in a second, but let me go ahead and dump out the products that are in here. So, hey, guys, it's that time again. So, the random comment picker has spoken, and this is the winner to the Natasha Denona Mini Love Palette. So, listen, you have 48 hours to get a hold of me. Now, listen, guys, if you have not won or you didn't win this giveaway, please do not be discouraged. I have a lot coming. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. So, yeah, hang in there, okay? Congratulations again. So, we did get the, their real magnet. Now, I don't know if that all means the magnet because they adhere to your lashes. I'm not sure. There's the packaging. That's what it looks like right there, okay? Yeah, right there. So here's what the bottle looks like. And it's different because I have a really tiny bottle that's shaped differently from this. So this is a mini, and there you have it there. This one is, the full size is $27. So I do like the regular one. So I'm guessing maybe I will like this. I don't know. All right, so that was the second product. The third thing is Mega Moisture. What is this? I do not know what let me look here because, oh my gosh. This is a Nuuvo. It's N-U-U-V-O Hair Care Mega Moisture Argan Mask, okay? So I'm all down to try a mask. It is a deluxe or a travel size, I guess you would say. It does have a safety seal on it. That's good because I have a dozen masks that I'm working on. The retail price for this is a deluxe sample, and it's weighing in at 1.5 ounces. It says the full price of this is $27. You know that soft, shiny feeling your hair has After you leave the salon, this mask recreates it. Thanks to strengthening argan oil, moisturizing coconut oil, and conditioning shea butter. After you rinse, your hair will be smoother, healthier, and easier to style. I'm all down there. All right, so that's that. Then we have the fourth product, which is this. It says, We Are Fluid, Browsy Brow Gel in Clear. I have a gazillion and one brow gels in clear. I do have that one that's tinted, which I can't wait to start using. This is a full size. Oh, boy. This is a full size, guys. Okay, there's the packaging. Let me just show you. That's the full size, okay? It's as big as my finger. Anyway, they're saying this is a full size, and it's retail valued at $12. Give unruly brow hairs long-lasting definition and hold with a few swipes of this vegan and cruelty-free gel. Okay, so there you have it. I mean, it's a brow gel, clear brow gel. And then the last but not least product is Elizabeth Mott Hydrating Hyaluronic Toner. Itty-bitty guy, something to throw on vacation or take in your purse. You know, whatever. I don't know. Yeah, vacation, camping, what have you. Although I don't know if I'd be doing this in camping, but definitely on vacation. This is a deluxe sample, and the retail value of the full size is $30, okay? And what do we have here? How much? I can't even read that. It's so small. Oh, my gosh. This is half of a fluid ounce, and it says this toner isn't just fancy water for your face. It's packed with hyaluronic acid, a humectant that draws water to your skin, which is exactly what I say. Put the if you're going to use any kind of serum, hyaluronic acid, anything like that, make sure your face is just a smidge damp, because it's going to suck water from wherever it can get it. And if you put it on a dry face, it's going to suck it from out of your skin. And you don't really want to do that. We want to add. We don't want to take away. So just a little thing. That's not from me. That's from the Not So Evil Stepmother. And again, this is retail value for this is $30. So that leaves the bag. I like the bag. It has that emblem stamped in there. It says confidence comes from within. There you have it. And it has the little like leather looking patch there. I like it. It's cute. It's got it's beveled a little bit, and it does have a little cute little thingy-majiggy right here. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That is my Ipsy Glam Bag. Again, congratulations to the winner of the Natasha Denona Love Palette, Mini Love Palette. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me, and thank you guys for tuning in. Remember, if you are blue or you're just not feeling well, or you're just off by a little bit, or just out of sorts, talk to somebody about it. Don't hold it in. Share, share, share. Take the power away. And if you are that kind of friend that you see a person that's down, be that kind of friend and listen, you know, lend your ear. Maybe sometimes I find just not talking at all and just letting someone dump helps them, and it's a great feeling. Most of all, in this crazy mixed-up world, guys, please remember, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya!